Hi, my name is Shruti Sharma. I wanted to do something in animation industry, so I searched for the best institute available in Guwahati, and I was lucky to stumble upon Octa Animation Multimedia, as it is the best here because it provides both short-term and long-term courses, which also doesn't affect your pockets too much. So I joined here for a short-term course, and I have to say that I am getting the best experience a student can ever get. The faculty here are amongst the best educators who are highly knowledgeable in all animation softwares and have international experience in filmmaking also. The environment around here is very comfortable, and the team building prospects encouraged here also help us in gaining experience of a corporate environment, which further helps us in our journey towards a successful career. We are provided with hands-on projects and advanced curriculum to gain further heights in our endeavors. If anyone wants to make a miraculous career for themselves, I would suggest that Octa Animation is the best institute to join because you will definitely come out in flying colors from here. Thank you and all the best.